Komiti marango weche thieth od bura dwaro mondo migawo mar thieth ochopie mbele komiti no mar chiwo lere wi jogo manomi orak mar pogo masinde mag pimo kod gayo tuo mar kansa e kuonde thieth moko adek e thurka. Jakom komiti no Dr. Robert Pukose wacho ni komiti no oseyango ni moko kuom masinde mag thiedho kansa go chal margi ok ber kendo ok ginyal konyo ganda yo makare kamago mosekethore bende pok olosi. Pukose wacho ni gwenge manyandwat ma ugwe mar piny Kenya medo ndiko kwan malo mar jogo mayudo tuo mar kansa gino mamiyo ber ka koro masinde go tiyo yo makare ka ripode moko to nyiso ni masinde mantie Mombasa medo mana kethore.
The national government Ministry of Health entered into a contract with the supplier. So we would want the Ministry of Health to be able to appear before the Health Committee in the National Assembly and explain to us what type of service contract they entered into, why this machine has broken for the last 6 or so months, and yet the contractor has not come to make the necessary repairs. We are also informed that a similar machine in Mombasa is also having similar mechanical challenges.
It's a very important facility for us in this region, and we will ask the members of the Health Committee to consider it and see how this facility can be up and running again to maximum capacity.
Now that the National Cancer Institute has been reactivated, we'd want to see the National Cancer Institute coordinating support to the regional cancer centers, the 3 that are already functioning here in Garissa, Mombasa and Nakuru, as well as fast-tracking the 2 that are supposed to be there in both in